Hello dear students, today we will study about nitrogen cycle. So 78% of nitrogen is there in the atmosphere. The atmospheric nitrogen is fixed by nitrogen fixing bacteria which convert nitrogen into ammonia. Okay, so first step of nitrogen cycle is the conversion of nitrogen into ammonia. In the next step, some bacteria act upon ammonia and convert it into nitrites and nitrates. So nitrites and nitrates are the useful form of nitrogen that are taken by the plants. Okay. Then nitrites and nitrates in the soil. These are uptaken by plants. Next, animals eat plants. You all know. Next, after the death of plants and animals, nitrogenous waste from death and excretion, clear, that went again into the soil through the process of decomposition by bacteria and some fungus. In the next step, nitrites and nitrates that are further converted into atmospheric nitrogen by some another bacteria in the atmosphere. Also, there is a process which is known as lightning, which directly convert atmospheric nitrogen to the useful nitrogenous compounds like nitrates and nitrites. Okay, so this cyclic circulation of the nitrogen through living and non-living system is known as nitrogen cycle. Okay, in the nitrogen cycle there are four main steps. First is the conversion of nitrogen to ammonia, that is known as nitrogen fixation. Next is the conversion of ammonia to nitrates and nitrites. Okay, that is known as nitrification. And next is nitrites and nitrates are used by plants and animals. That process is known as assimilation. And the final step is conversion of compounds of nitrogen again into the atmospheric nitrogen, that is known as denitrification. So I hope now all the processes are clear to you, different steps are clear to you. Thanks for watching.